Which Python memory profiler is recommended? I want to know the memory usage of my Python application and specifically want to know what code blocks/portions or objects are consuming most memory. Google search shows a commercial one is Python Memory Validator, Windows only. And open source ones are Precisa and Heapy. I haven't tried anyone, so I wanted to know which one is the best considering. Gives most details. I have to do least or no changes to my code.
Guppy 3 is quite simple to use. At some point in your code, you have to write the following. This gives you some output like this. You can also find out from where objects are referenced and get statistics about that, but somehow the docs on that are a bit sparse. There is a graphical browser as well, written in TK. For Python 2.x, use Heapy.
My module memory_profiler is capable of printing a line-by-line report of memory usage and works on Unix and Windows, needs util on this last one. Output is not very detailed, but the goal is to give you an overview of where the code is consuming more memory, not an exhaustive analysis on allocated objects. After decorating your function with that profile and running your code with the memory_profiler flag, it will print a line-by-line report like this.
I recommend Browser. It is very easy to set up, and you need 0 changes to your code. You can view counts of objects of each type through time, view list of live objects, view references to live objects, all from the simple web interface. You import mendebug and call mendebug.start. That's all. I haven't tried Precisa or Heapy. I would appreciate others' reviews. Update. The above code is for cherryp2.x, cherryp3.x. The server.quickstart method has been removed and engine.start does not take the blocking flag. So if you are using cherryp3.x,
consider the Updraft library. See this blog post for an example use case.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.